Are you looking for electrical socket guard for Standard and Decora? Then this video is for you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Important information. Point 1. Hazard-free home. You want to make sure that your home is as safe as it can be for your kids. Making electrical outlets inaccessible to small fingers or inserted items is one of the most crucial things to do. For hiding these household hazards, the Dreambaby dual-fit plug and electrical outlet covers are ideal. Point 2. Keep using your electricity. Not everything should be unplugged to cover sockets. The Dreambaby dual-fit plug and electrical outlet covers allow you to continue using your appliances while maintaining a secure environment in your house. Both unused and utilized outlets are covered. Point 3. No more interruptions. Your child cannot unplug cords with the Dreambaby dual-fit plug and electrical outlet covers. If your child has ever unplugged the TV or computer during their favorite show, this is a fantastic solution. Point 4. Maintain full accessibility. While these covers may stop kids from plugging things in or unplugging things from outlets, they nevertheless provide parents easy access to their outlets whenever they want. To plug or disconnect something, remove the top cover. When finished, replace it. Point 5. Description of the product. There are 2 dual-fit plug and electrical outlet covers included in each Dreambaby dual-fit plug and electrical outlet cover package. They're appropriate for both conventional and Art Deco outlets. Thanks. Please subscribe my channel to get more information for your sweet baby.